Kamagalaya Trinamool Congress, Hakalai Potarik Kalalingkon, Kalapenram Yaka National People's Party NPP, Barka Bharatiya Janata Party BJP, Halor ka Jingpynthohbria Jangki, Pyrshah Eka Seng TMC. Karkamu Kartong ka TMC na Rambrai Jirngam Constituency, Uba Fernandez Esdakhar, Ulaong bakajingalap na kilyang Pyrshah dang shen, Pynphai ya ka TMC, kadekadak kababha, nakabinta ka seng, na makapin-i ya ka jinglong jingman balatay da ka TMC, hapo ka jala tang hakini ki kandiat nai.
Recently, we have noticed that NPP and BJP are investing all their resources in carrying out a smear campaign against Meghalaya Trinamool Congress. But I feel it is a good sign for our party, or why they are targeting us so much, because deep down they know that people of Meghalaya are coming together to bring about change in this coming election. So right from our we camp to my camp, they have been targeting us, but we are happy to announce that as of now, around 360,000 registration is completed. To the tagline by some of the parties against us that we are Bangladeshi party. I got to know from your report that some parties, they are attacking us that we are in favor of Bangladeshi. I don't know. In 2019, who supported CAB? I think not TMC. We hold in West Bengal, we protest against CAB. Our chairperson, Mamata Banerjee, she lead a huge crowd in protesting against this law, against our tribal. But it is amused to see from NPP who says that they support CAB, which is now CA, as we all know. But now they are tagging us that we are in favor of Bangladesh. Actually, they are. NPP are. Because why? If not, what is the narrative of whole idea of CA? To bring all those people from Bangladesh and some part of other country, neighboring countries. That is the whole idea of CAA. And who voted for CAA? It's not TMC. It is the NPP.